Hi, I'm Ivor Jones, Operations Director of Würth UK. Here at Würth, we have over 75 years of experience of supplying thousands of high-quality products to the trades. We pride ourselves on building a personal relationship with you to supply the highest quality products and services to fulfil your business needs. From tools and PPE to technical chemicals, we're here to support you whether you're a large industrial firm or a sole trader. We offer a wide range of services including click and collect shopping, e-business solutions, storage solutions and hazardous chemical management. Shop when it suits you with our e-shop. Click and collect orders with as little as 60 minutes notice. Make transactions even smoother with our Aussie vending system solutions. Whatever your business, we have products and services to suit you. Our ever-expanding network of contact points means that we're here for you 24/7. From our trade stores to our online shop, through our mobile app and with our regional sales consultants. Choose Würth as your partner for quality products and award-winning consumables.